Hello again. So far, in our approaches or in steps to writing, the first thing we have understood what is the question type. The second thing that we're going to see in this video is how to understand that what to write on the given task, right? Based on the terminology of or the questions, words or expressions which were given to you. Let's try to understand. If it is agree disagree, so what can be there? If you talk about the broad type of questioning words, it can be agree disagree, it can be advantage disadvantage, it can be causes and effects, it can be problem or solution, it can be positive or negative. I'm not talking about question type here. The same question word can be for opinion type of question. The same can be for discussion type. Same can be for opinion discussion both. So I'm just showing you that what exactly will be the terminology that you will get that you immediately catch that what I have to do. So you'll say, okay, what I have to do? I have to talk about the advantage and disadvantage. And then the next moment, is it opinion or discussion? Okay, it's opinion, it's discussion, it's opinion, whatever. So let's try to understand. So and then mixed type of questions, I haven't talked about that, but actually mostly mixed type questions are the questions which has got both opinion or discussion. So for example, what are the causes and how to address the issue? So what are the causes? So one is causes, another one is solution. So causes and solutions, so both are different. It doesn't pair with effect. So this is known as, so what are the challenges? So one's challenges and do you think? So mixed type of questions. So sometimes this one term can be mixed with this one. So this is possible, right? Now let's try to understand it with the help of an example. What really I mean, now I try to see with an example. Means two steps that we have done. Now we will see with three types of question and example. Number one, first one that I'm taking here is whatever that I have to see, but this is the question. Some people believe that unpaid community service should be a compulsory part of high school programs. For examples, working for a charity, improving the neighborhood, or teaching sports to young children. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So clearly what I have understood here that this is an opinion based question, number one. And step two, I have to write on agree or and disagree. It depends what points I have. But I'm certain that I have to write on agree. So it will take you what? 30 seconds, 20 seconds, even 10 seconds. Immediately have a look at the question. You will say, okay, this is about agree, disagree. So asking for personal opinion. So it's opinion type question. And I have to write on, because I have shown you the opinion type of questions can have different kind of expression of the question. So it depends on that, right? But here it is opinion based question and you have to write on agree or and disagree. Why or disagree? You can write both agree or disagree. That's why. And you can write only agree, you can write only disagree. That I'll explain later on. Next example is, this example is saying what are the advantages and disadvantages for the children of this, whatever it is. But they're not asking your personal opinion at all. That means it is a discussion type question. That's clear. And what you have to write on, advantage, disadvantage. So clear. Because this discussion type, so you simply have to write down what are the advantages and you simply have to write down what are the disadvantages. Clear? Third example, discuss both the views. So that means they're asking for your discussion, no personal opinion, and give your personal opinion. Now, discussion, opinion, right? So I have immediately now, see, that's the trick. In 20 seconds, in 10 seconds, you can understand it is a discussion and opinion type question, and I have to write on view 1 because both the view, both, so view 1, view 2, and I have to give my personal opinion. So I think you must have understood. You will definitely, you have been able to understand it. what are the 2 steps that we have to take once we have the question before us. In next video, I'll talk about step 3. But until then, I'm signing off.